Hi everyone, how are you all? So my name is Isheshpal and welcome to my channel Sheshpal Mathswala. So yesterday I have discussed a question which was little bit lengthy and it was logical. You can check that video. I have given the list of all the videos regarding properties of triangle in the description box. Okay, this is the another question that we are going to discuss in this video. In this question, he has given that angle C is nothing but 60 degrees. Then we need to prove that 1 by A plus C plus 1 by B plus C is nothing but 3 by A plus B plus C. This is what he is asking us to prove. And the data he had given is angle C is equal to 60 degrees. It means in triangle ABC he had given one of the angle, that is C, which is nothing but 60 degrees. He is asking to prove this relation. Okay? Solution. Basically, let me take the cosine rule. C square is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos C. Right? C square is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB. C is nothing but 60, right? Cos C is nothing but 1 by 2. 1 by 2. It means C square is equal to A square plus B square minus AB. Okay? This is this is going to play an important thing in solving the problem. It's like a hint. Okay, now C square minus A square is equal to B into B minus A. Taking A square on this side, C square minus A square is equal to, take from B, both taking B as common, B into B minus A. From here A plus C can be written as B into B minus A by C minus A. This is our first equation. Now further, 1 by A plus C can be written as A minus C by B into A minus B. This is our first equation. Similarly, taking B square on this side, so that we will get C square minus B square is equal to A into A minus B. C square minus B square is nothing but C plus B into C minus B. What we need to find C plus B. It's nothing but B plus C is equal to A into A minus B by C minus B. It's nothing but 1 by B plus C is equal to C minus B by A into A minus B. It is our second equation. Right? For, for LHS, let me add these both equations. Finally, we are going to get 1 by A plus C plus 1 by B plus C, which is equal to A minus C by B into A minus B plus C minus B by A into A minus B. From here, let me take A minus B as common, so that I am going to get 1 by A minus B of A minus C by B plus C minus B by A. Okay. By taking 1 by A minus B common, we got this remaining. Okay. Now, in next step, 1 by A minus B. Taking LCM, I am going to get A square minus AC plus BC minus B square by AB. Okay. Here, let me take A square minus B square. 1 by A minus B into A square minus B square minus C into A minus B by AB. Okay. a minus b, a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b, right? A plus b, here this gets cancelled, so that finally we are going to get a plus b minus c by ab, right? A square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b. A minus b, a minus b, a minus b gets cancelled. Finally here a plus b minus c by ab. Finally this is the thing is remained. Furtherly, we have semi-perimeter 2s is equal to a plus b plus c, right? Here a plus b minus c is nothing but 2s minus 2c, right? Let me put this here. Finally, we are going to get 2 into s minus c by ab. Right? 2 into s minus c by ab. A plus b minus c can be written as 2s minus 2c. Taking 2 common, we will get 2 of s minus c. I have simplified here. A plus b plus c is equal to 2s. A plus b minus c is nothing but 2s minus 2c. 2 into s minus c by ab. And furtherly, 2 by, let me write it as 2a by s into s of s minus c by ab. Okay? 2 by s of s minus c by ab. When, let me write here root and make it whole square. I hope you understand what this form gives us. Root s of s minus c by ab. It's nothing but cos c by 2. Cos c by 2 whole square. 2 by s into cos square c by 2. Right? Here c is nothing but 60 degrees. C by 2 is nothing but 30 degrees. Cos 30 is nothing but root 3 by 2 whole square. It's nothing but 3 by 4 is equal to 2 by s into 3 by 4. Here this and this gets cancelled. 3 by 2s. 3 by 2s. 2s is nothing but a plus b plus c, right? It can be written as 3 by a plus b plus c. Like this we can prove the given relation, given that angle c is nothing but 60 degrees. Okay? This is the one way that we can prove this relation. The same relation can be proved in another method also. Let me make it clear. Okay? So let's go for method 2. Let's discuss the another way of proving the same relation. In first method, we have already discussed that c square is equal to a square plus b square minus ab as per the given data. Right? Just I have written here the same relation using the cosine rule. C square is equal to a square plus b square minus ab. So what? Let me consider LHS. 1 by a plus c plus 1 by b plus c. Here, furtherly, let me take LCM so that I am going to get a plus b plus 2c by c square plus a plus b into c plus ab. Okay. Further, a plus b plus 2c by, from these two, let me take c as common. C into a plus b plus c plus ab. Okay. Now, a, let me take this part. A square plus b square minus ab is equal to c square. A plus b whole square minus 3ab. I hope you understand how I have written this. A plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Plus 2ab minus 3ab. It's nothing but minus ab. is equal to c square. This can be written as a plus b whole square minus c square is equal to 3ab. Okay. Next, a plus b plus c. It is of a square minus b square form. A square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b. A plus b plus c into a plus b minus c is equal to 3ab. Okay. Here we have a plus b plus c. Right. A plus b plus c can be written as 3ab by a plus b minus c. So consider LHS. In LHS we have got this type, right? From this, by taking LCM I have got this. A plus b plus 2c by c into a plus b plus c plus ab is equal to a plus b plus 2c by c into a plus b plus c. I have this value. A plus b plus c is nothing but 3ab by a plus b minus c plus ab. Okay. Further, let me take in denominator. Let me take ab as common, so that I am going to get a plus b plus 2c by ab into 1 plus 3c by a plus b minus c. By taking ab as common, I have got 1 plus 3c by a plus b minus c. On simplifying this thing, a plus b plus 2c by c into a, taking LCM, a plus b minus c plus 3c. It's nothing but a plus b plus 2c by a plus b minus c. See here, these both are same, so these both gets cancelled. This term denominator goes up, so that I am going to get a plus b minus c by c. Okay, a plus b minus c. In first method we have discussed that a plus b minus c by c. The same term we have got. If you check, if you rewind the video, you can check that I have just written here only, I think. So a plus b minus c by c. Using semicircle, semi-perimeter, a plus b plus c is equal to 2s. A plus b minus c is nothing but 2s minus 2c by c. Finally, we will get cos square c by 2. So from this same, the first method procedure is repeated, which is nothing but 3 by, it's nothing but 3 by a plus b plus c. Right? This is how we can prove the relation. Again, this is the second type. In first type, what I have taken, I have considered the single. I have taken this term, I have found 1 by a plus c, and I have taken this term and found 1 by b plus c. Adding this both, I got another relation. From that I have derived, I have used the formula for as cos square c by 2. I got the answer. In second method, I directly simplified this LHS, so that I have got this thing. From that I have found a plus b plus c value as 3ab by a plus b minus c from the cosine rule, as follows, like this. Finally, I have substituted here. On further simplifying, I got a plus b minus c by c. From here, the same first method procedure is repeated, which proves that 3 by a plus b plus c is going to be the answer, which is nothing but RHS. Okay, this is how we can prove this relation, given that angle C is equal to 60 degrees. Like these questions, I will meet you in the next video. Until then, tata.